Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Your casting implement at least 0. 5 mana potions and cooldown reductions active. Once done, move to a stable vantage point so the vortex can anchor. Make sure you have clear line of sight and that allies aren't caught in the initial cone. First actionable step. Apply a control effect to the target to stop unpredictable movement, then begin channeling the initial pulse. This prevents drifts that break vortex lock and sets you up for reliable follow-through. Once the vortex is anchored, sustain it with controlled modulation. Alternate short bursts and micro-pauses to avoid overheating or interruption. You do this because continuous max output increases pushback and breaks the field. Make sure to reduce amplitude by about 20% if multiple enemies crowd the area. This widens control and prevents collapse. Keep watching resources so mana stays above 30%, and swap to a potion around 25% to avoid a forced stop. This keeps you finish by ramping down the core pulse slowly over 2 to 3 seconds. A controlled release prevents backlash and residual knockback. Once the vortex ends, immediately reposition and apply shields or healing to any affected allies, because fallout can leave openings for counterattacks. If the vortex collapses early, troubleshoot. Interrupt your current cast cleanly, re-anchor at the previously marked spot, and reapply the control debuff before recasting. This sequence restores reliable behavior and prevents repeat failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.